Hi, Grace Church.
Hi, Grace Church.
Hello, Grace Church.
Hi, Grace Church.
Hi, Grace Church.
I love most about Malaysia is the jungles.
Food. I love the forest.
The food is delicious.
Because I always go hiking
There's a lot of animals.
and I can breathe fresh air.
Malaysia is all about food.
Malaysia is my home.
My favorite Malaysian food is roti canai.
Maggi goreng.
Roti canai.
Roti canai.
Chicken rice.
There are four colors in the
In the Malaysian flag.
Our current Prime Minister is Dr. Tun Mahathir bin Mohamad.
There are 14 stripes in a Malaysian flag.
14 stripes in the Malaysia flag. Merdeka means the independence of Malaysia. Merdeka means freedom. Our national day.
The National Day of Malaysia.
Our national day is on 31st August.
The 31st of August. National Day is on 31st of August. Three famous Malaysian dishes that I know is nasi lemak, asam laksa, and roti bom.
Asam laksa, nasi lemak, and roti canai.
Nasi lemak, Maggi goreng, and roti canai.
Bak kut teh, nasi lemak, and roti canai.
My favorite country is Malaysia.
Malaysia mostly.
Malaysia!
Malaysia is the best country in the world.
My favorite holiday spot in Malaysia is Penang.
Langkawi. Langkawi is Langkawi.
Malacca because it's a historical place.
I love Malaysia.
Yes, I love Malaysia.
Yes, I love Malaysia.
Yes, I love Malaysia.
We love Malaysia. I love Malaysia very much.
Do you love durian?
No.
No, yuck!
I do not like durian because of its smell. No, I don't like durian.
It's very smelly.
It's horrible.
No, I don't like durian.
It's too bitter.
No, because it's very smelly.
Yes, I love durian. It is very tasty.
Aku anak Malaysia.
Aku anak Malaysia. I love Malaysia.
Aku anak Malaysia.
Merdeka!
Merdeka!
Merdeka.
Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!